Hi guys, in this video I show you how to select multiple elements on Canva PC, how to group and ungroup those elements in your design. You can also adjust and move everything together. Even the transparency or animation is possible here. Let's go. First, create a new design and upload any photo you want. For example, I uploaded this cute dog, milkshake and a flower. And yes guys, of course you can select them one by one as you can see here. And you can also click anywhere on the design and yes, drag the mouse cursor over the pictures to select them all together. You can also have the same effect if you press Shift on the keyboard and clicking one by one to select all together. Now we can just click on group or right click group. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+G to create a group. Alright, as you can see here, the group is created and you have now the chance or the option to change the transparency here. Just change it and you can see, yeah, it's working and all together. You can also change, for example, the border, create a border over all pictures, everything at the same time, and each of them all together. Also change the border style if you want, and also add a corner rounding. So you can see many stuff possible here. I also told you can animate those. So we can see if you click here on animate, yes, you can add some animation if you are planning to create some kind of video or presentation style. You can see many nice animations possible. So guys, that's how we do groups. And if you want to ungroup those pictures, just click here ungroup, or also possible to press Ctrl+Shift and G. But yeah, usually the people don't remember those shortcuts. So just right click ungroup and you can see here, everything is back to normal again. You still have the border, of course, but you have them one by one again. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.